And if you're new here, my name is Janice. Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for my baby shower, which was a week ago. So if you want to see what I got for my baby shower, stay tuned. Let's start off with clothes. So I have a big bag of clothes here. Wait. And my son is here with me, so he's going to get excited. So I got a booty. I got a pair of booties.
Yeah.
What's that? I got two pair of these. Shoe.
Yeah.
But I brought one back and got this one instead.
Yeah.
So I got two of those. Got shoes. And then this is just an outfit. Let's make this fast. A blanket. A bottle wash.
Yeah, that's a bottle wash like the other ones.
Bib.
Bib.
More clothes.
More clothes?
More clothes.
Planted. Pink.
More clothes. I'm going through these fast. These are from Uruguay.
I got.
More clothes. Some washcloth. Pacifier. More blankets. Some pants.
Oh, there's a treat.
More onesies.
There's a treat.
Pick it out. And another outfit. That's all the clothes she got. So thank you to everyone who came and gave outfits, clothes, and shoes. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Okay, along with that, we did a diaper raffle. So we got a lot of diapers. So got some newborn diaper here. Got some size 1 diaper. We got some size 2. And then I'm just gonna pick up the camera and show you guys everything else behind me because and then got some more single diapers here, and then got these bottle coin thingy. I got two of these. I got some soap.
Baby diaper.
Yeah, so I'm gonna pick up the camera and turn it around so you guys can see because I'm not gonna take everything down. So I just decided I would just take everything down and show you guys. So we got some wipes. We got baby Janice. We got we got water wipes and Pampers. Got a lot of wipes. Just showing you each of every brand that. We got some more. This. I got a diaper organizer. This thing. I got a diaper wipes. Wipe warmer. I mean. Sorry. Diaper wipes. Got a grooming kit. We got breast milk storage things. We got another breast milk storage thing. I got
Mommy,
the spoon.
It got out.
And then
Mommy, it got out.
this twig. Washcloth.
Mommy, it got out.
And my most exciting purchase, which is the Ergo baby carrier and the baby insert. And then I have my diaper genie back here and a whole bunch of wipes. And my mother-in-law made that thing up there, so I don't want to have to take everything down. Yeah, so I don't want to have to take everything down, so I'm gonna do a whole 360 and stuff and show you. We mostly got a lot of wipes, so thank you guys for everyone that came and gave us stuff, and I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.